Welcome to this complete beginner's guide to MongoDB, one of the most popular NoSQL databases used by developers around the world. MongoDB stores data in a format similar to JSON, making it highly flexible, human-readable, and perfect for modern web applications. Unlike traditional SQL databases, it doesn't require a predefined schema, so developers can move fast and build flexible data structures. Let's start with the basics. You can install MongoDB on your local computer and manage it using MongoDB Compass, a graphical interface that makes working with your data intuitive. Just run the MongoDB command to start the database server and use Mongo Shell or Compass to explore your collections. Next, we'll dive into CRUD operations. That stands for create, read, update, and delete. These operations allow you to manage your data directly. You'll learn how to insert documents into a collection, query data with filters, update fields in existing documents, and remove data when it's no longer needed. Want to interact with MongoDB from Python? No problem. We'll use PyMongo, the official MongoDB driver for Python. With just a few lines of code, you can connect to a MongoDB server, access databases and collections, and run queries, all from your Python scripts. We'll also cover query operators like $GT for greater than, $LT for less than, and $regex for pattern matching, helping you write more powerful and flexible database queries. Finally, we'll show you how to use MongoDB Atlas, the cloud-based version of MongoDB that lets you store your data online, scale effortlessly, and integrate with your apps securely from anywhere. By the end of this short video, you'll understand how MongoDB works, how to perform real-world operations, and how to connect it with your backend code. Let's get started and bring your web development skills to the next level.